Hey loves, it's Claudia in Claudia's Universe. In this video, I am going to do swatches and a review and a tutorial for a palette that I have been wanting for a long time. This is the Carli Bybel palette. I am so excited to share this palette with you as a first impression, and I hope to share plenty of makeup tutorials using this palette in future. It's spring, it's officially spring, and this is my first makeup look, my first makeup tutorial of 2018. Yes, if you haven't discovered Carli Bybel on YouTube, you should go and check her channel out, and this is exactly how her name is spelled. So go check her out on YouTube. I love watching her. I think she's beautiful, vivacious, and she is a damn good makeup artist. Plus I like looking at her family vlogs. I think she's eclectic and exciting to watch. This says, this Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition 21 color eyeshadow and highlighter palette exudes the YouTube beauty maven's signature glam girl style. This palette features the 11 original shades plus 10 chic new shades and highlighters in buttery blendable formulas with staying power. You know I am ready to swatch these and give you my honest review for Miss Carli Bybel. So let's get started. Okay guys, first of all, loves, I love Carli's packaging. This is how it looks. Isn't that beautiful? It just shows the glam girl style of her packaging even before you open it up and marvel at the colors. It comes with this mirror. Is that not nice? That would be a great thumbnail. I love a palette with a mirror. Oh, I've got to show you all close up how luxurious this palette really is. This is just marvelous. I really don't know what to start with first. Oh my goodness. And the words on under the mirror. The mirror is big, clean, and bold. I love that you can just see everything. It says, aspire to inspire. I like that. Now I've got to swatch this for you so that you can know just how beautiful this is. Oh, I love this gold at the bottom. I think it might be best for me to do it this way. Oh my gosh! Look how pigmented. Look at that. That whole bottom row of colors, so gorgeous, guys. That is so beautiful. Look at this. Look at these colors. They're rich, truly blendable, truly buttery. Carli has outdone herself here. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I made my face up just so much, just so far, and I was like, okay, I really want to focus on my eyes, and I did my brows before I came on camera, and I'll put my lashes on when I finish my eyeshadow, and then I'll give you the final look. But oh my goodness, I am ecstatic. I'm using a new set of brushes on camera for the first time. This is the GLMR set of brushes. Okay, so this is my crease blending brush. I'm going to start with, let's see, with this lipstick, like a brown from BHCosmetics lip gloss set. I will share that with you a little bit later. But I'm going to go in with the transition color first. And I'm learning how to speak in makeup language. My transition color is going to be, I'm going to use this color in the middle. I'm going to use this middle color, and then, oh my God, any color would do. Oh, nice and pigmented comes on that brush. Tap it off, tap it off. Oh, I've already primed my eyes with my foundation with Rum Spice Black Radiance and Max powder. So I've already gotten my eyes together. Oh, Carli. Girl, you better get all of your life and leave some for someone else. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let me hold this brush the right way. Oh goodness. If that isn't gorgeous. This is fabulous. I know some people say don't, less is more, but I'm not one of those people all the time. I want to see it and know that I have it on, baby. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. And as they say, it's all about the blending. When you're doing eyeshadow, it is all about the blend anywhere on your face. I'm going to go in with my medium, my shadow brush in medium, and I'm going to go in with this color on the end here. They are not named, but they don't have to be. The colors are so pigmented. Oh my goodness, that is crazy. I'm going to open my eyes up with by bringing the color up higher than my lid here. Oh goodness. This is amazing. Notice I'm just patting this color on. I'm not brushing the lid. Oh my God, I love this. This is beautiful. Guys, this is beautiful. These colors are truly magnificent, truly pigmented. They go on smooth and luscious. I am so enamored with this palette. And I have several lower end palettes, but this is one of my higher end palettes. It was like $22 from BHCosmetics, and I know palettes come more expensive than this, but this is so satisfying. It makes you feel luxurious, and I'm so glad it's affordable, because every girl has the need to be a glam girl if she wants to, if she loves makeup like I do. So thank you, Carli, for keeping this very affordable, and thank you also, BHCosmetics. Now I've got to go in with the contour. For my contour on this light muted look, I'm going to go with this color here. I'm going to do that. Hang tight. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. I gotta make sure you guys can see. And I'm going to put a little bit under my eyes. Just like what's left on the brush. Just to give a little bit of highlight under my waterline there. And I will use this lip brush just to put a bit of this shade in my tear ducts. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to put a bit of that same color, this light peach, right up here on my brow bone for my lashes, for my eyebrows on my brow bone. Just to give that area. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. This is the final look. I am so pleased and ecstatic with this palette. It has so much to offer in the way of color and the muted browns, and everything is creamy. It is just marvelous. I love this palette. Some colors are sparkly, some are just perfect for the nightlife. Moving from the office to the nightlife is just what this palette is made for. Carli, this palette is simply divine. I love the way my eyes came out. Oh my goodness, I can't help looking at the finder, the viewfinder over here. I can't help looking into this mirror. This look is amazing. So let me see if I can bring you guys a little closer to me so you can see what I mean. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this palette. I love this palette. I will have to get my nails done, and I'm going to get my nails done and come back on and do so many more looks. But I had a polish that would have made a lovely, lovely brown creamy shade for this look, but I didn't have time to get my nails together for this video. But Carli Bybel Carli Bybel did a magnificent job, magnificent collaborating with BHCosmetics for this look, for this palette. I love it. And I can hardly contain myself thinking about what looks I'm going to create using the blush and the highlight. I know those colors will make great blushes and contours. That you can do whatever you like with makeup as long as you're happy with it and it looks good on you. I am going to create some magnificent looks with that palette. So look for those very, very soon. I love this. I love this look. I didn't notice any creasings with this palette around the eyelids. It was just very, very much pigmented. When I went to the mirror and looked at it, I was like, oh my gosh. Now that highlighter, I am going to do a look very soon so you guys could see what that highlighter looks like on me and girls, my skin tone. So, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I'm in love. I'm in love, Carli. I'm in love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, loves, so much for watching. I appreciate you. I just can't bring myself to get out of this camera because this is so beautiful. Instagram, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, Instagram. And I know I don't have very much space on my phone, but I've got to take a spring makeup picture with this look tonight. At least 3. So that when I pop back on Instagram, because I threw myself off trying to get 3 walls or another wall, another gallery. But anyway, I love this look, Carli. I love it. Springtime, I'm coming for you. I love you, springtime, and I also love you, summer.